planner, system out, and go ball. And if, else, and so dito final grade niya. So pag 80 to 100, excellent yung lalabas. Then 80 to 89, very good. 70 to 79, good. 60 to 69 needs improvement. So below 60 naman is well siya. So i-run natin siya. And for example, enter activity score. For example, 80. Enter project score. Kunwari, 90. Enter the recitation score. For example, 100. Enter the midterm score. For example, 85. Enter the final score. For example, 95. So, yung final grade niya is 89.0. So, yung remark niya is pass. And yung case niya is line of 8 siya. So, very good. 80 to 89 yung nandun sa 80 to 89 yung rate niya. Kaya, very good yung nakalagay. For example, ulitin natin siya. Wala natin ulit siya. For example, enter the activity score. For example, 50. Enter the project score. For example, 30. Enter station score. For example, 30. Enter the midterm score. For example, 20. Enter the final exam score. Example, 10 lang siya. So, fail siya kasi below 60 yung